In this video, we'll explore key concepts and methodologies for assessing and managing investment projects. From understanding the purpose of investment assessments to applying approaches like cost-benefit analysis and capital budgeting, we'll delve into the financial principles and strategic frameworks that guide successful decision-making. This content is especially important for professionals involved in financial planning, project management, and organizational strategy, including business leaders, investors, engineers, and policymakers. Whether you're managing a large-scale infrastructure project or making strategic decisions for your organization, these insights are critical. Understanding these topics is essential because investment decisions shape the long-term success and sustainability of projects. They influence resource allocation, stakeholder returns, risk management, and overall growth. By mastering these concepts, you can ensure your investments deliver meaningful, lasting impact. The goal of assessing an investment project is to determine whether the investment is justifiable. Projects often span decades, requiring detailed cash flow projections far into the future. Long-term projects make the justification process complex, necessitating disciplined methodologies for evaluations. There are two main approaches to project assessment: cost-benefit analysis, CBA, and engineering economics, or capital budgeting. Cost-benefit analysis takes an economist's perspective, considering both short and long-term impacts alongside broad societal effects. It is commonly used for large public or public-private infrastructure projects. For example, a port project on the East Coast includes dock reconstruction and a railway spur. CBA evaluates cost savings, pollution reduction, fewer accidents, and regional job creation. This approach emphasizes the time value of money and focuses on investor-specific perspectives. It allocates resources for project development, operations, and evaluates long-term opportunities for decision-makers. The financial function within organizations has two main responsibilities. Financial accounting manages short-term liquidity and ensures long-term profitability. Financial management focuses on creating shareholder wealth by managing resources effectively. This includes controlling costs, optimizing the use of available capital, and securing funding for operations. Strategic management ensures the alignment of processes, people, and performance with the organization's vision. It addresses external challenges, creates partnerships, and identifies opportunities to promote growth. Financial stewardship involves responsibly managing resources, identifying funding sources, and creating investment portfolios. These portfolios aim to balance maximizing returns and minimizing risks for stakeholders. Investment decisions involve balancing debt and equity, determining profit retention versus distribution, and conducting capital budgeting to forecast future funding needs. Credit policies with clients also affect working capital and play a role in promoting products and building customer relationships. Evaluating investment opportunities requires assessing the project's strategic alignment, financial requirements, technical feasibility, and economic payback. The decision-making process involves three steps: framing the problem, evaluating alternatives, and implementing decisions. Framing the problem requires identifying the issue, diagnosing the situation, and setting objectives. Evaluating alternatives involves creating solutions, setting evaluation criteria, and accounting for uncertainties. The final step is to choose an alternative, implement it, and monitor its progress. Projects can be categorized as mandatory or discretionary, depending on necessity, and are further classified based on authority levels as very small, small, medium, or large. In summary, successfully assessing and managing investment projects requires a combination of disciplined evaluation, strategic alignment, and effective financial stewardship. By leveraging approaches like cost-benefit analysis and capital budgeting, organizations can make informed decisions that maximize value and minimize risks. Ultimately, aligning investments with long-term goals and stakeholder needs ensures sustainable growth and impactful outcomes.